Welcome to Get Solutions. This is your Lokesh. So in this session we are going to discuss illustration 17. Let's see the problem. Let us consider as the balance sheet of X Limited as on 31st March 2017 was as follows. See, the related liabilities and assets are given related to X Limited. Okay, so X Limited has the share capital 7,500, which means issued at rupees 10 in the sense 7,500 divided by 10 in the sense that is 750 shares are issued at rupees 10 each. So therefore X Limited have the share capital total 7,500, and also the X Limited have the 14% preference share. It was issued at rupees 100 each. So therefore the total preference share capital value is rupees 2,500, which means the 25 preference shares are issued at rupees 100 each. Okay, next general reserve of X Limited and 12% debenture. So 12% at the interest rate of 12% debenture it was issued, that is X Limited have 4,000 debentures. Okay, that is the 4,000 is the amount. Okay, we don't know how much that is how many number of debentures are issued by the X Limited or how many number of debentures that X Limited already have. Okay, next trade payables and other current liabilities are given, that is 2,000. So total liabilities 17,250. So similarly land and building, plant and machinery, furniture, investment, inventory, trade receivables and cash and bank balances are given. The total of liabilities, the total of assets 17,250. Okay, so next the additional information. See, Y Limited takes over the X Limited on 10th April 2017. So which means Y Limited taken over the business of X Limited, which means X Limited becomes the transferor company and Y Limited becomes the transferee company. Next, the adjustment related to debentures are given. So debenture holders of X Limited are discharged by the Y Limited at 10% premium by issuing of 15% more debentures of Y Limited. So already in X Limited there is a 12% debenture of rupees 4,000. Now, while discharging the purchase consideration in the form of debenture, Y Limited will be going to issue 15% debentures. So already 12% debentures is that purchase consideration Y Limited discharge ಮಾಡುವಾಗ 15% rate of interest ಅಂಗೆ debentures na discharge ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ at a premium of 10%. So this I will explain clearly in while calculating the purchase consideration. Okay, next third one, 14% preference shareholders of X Limited are discharged at a premium of 20% by issuing necessary number of 15% preference share of Y Limited. The face value of rupees 100 each. So already preference share capital estiде, that is 14% only. See here, already preference share capital of X Limited 14%, but now while discharging the purchase consideration, that is 14% preference shareholders of X Limited are discharged at a premium of 20%, that is extra 20% premium ge 15% preference shares na issue ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. The face value of this preference share rupees 100 each. Okay, next see, intrinsic value per share of X Limited is rupees 20 and that of Y Limited is rupees 30. So X Limited the preference, that is X Limited intrinsic value is to rupees 20 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So similarly Y Limited the intrinsic value is to 30 rupees ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Next, see, Y Limited will issue equity shares to the shareholders of X Limited on the basis of intrinsic value. However, the entry should be made at par value only. So in this case the transferee company is also discharging the purchase consideration to the shareholders of X Limited based on the intrinsic value. So equity shares na ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಬೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ, ಇಂಟ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಕ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಾವು ಪಾರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಬಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ನ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಇಂಟ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಕ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ವೈಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ದ ನಾಮಿನಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಈಚ್ ಈಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ವೈ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಈಸ್ ₹10. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಗೋಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಈ ಪಾರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ನಾಮಿನಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೋಬೇಕಂತೆ ಪಾರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ? ₹10 ತಗೋಬೇಕಂತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕೇಸ್. ದ ನಾಮಿನಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಈಚ್ ಈಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ವೈ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಈಸ್ ₹10. ಸೊ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದಿ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಂದರೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ವಾಚ್ ದಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಸೊ ಸಿ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.